the most exciting stage activity, along with the beautiful foot tapping music. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another exciting video. Solo dance competition for the academic year 21-22. Exciting for me. This competition, you have a wonderful opportunity to showcase your talent of dancing to the variety of music and steps. I'm giving you an opportunity. The whole school is divided into 5 categories: sub-junior 1, sub-junior 2, sub-junior, then 3, juniors, seniors. What an excitement. It is a wonderful time for all the students, all the parents, to put forth the talents of your child. The school takes up dance competitions so that the child will have a wonderful memory on a beautiful stage with a very good costume, and they come onto the stage solo. The whole stage is theirs. It takes away that kind of shine or the stage fear. They come with all their happiness. They perform the minute the music is start. They entertain. They show their talents to the whole audience of hundreds and hundreds of students cheering up. Now, the opportunity which I'm giving is, you can still do, though we don't have the gatherings because of the COVID protocol. We can't gather at one place. We need to wait for some more time to overcome these difficulties on this planet Earth. But our competition will go on. No one can stop us. As long as we have energy, strength, talent, skill, let us take another platform and show our talents to everybody. Now, my dear students, start practicing. We finished term 1 board examination for all the CBSE and also FA1 and getting ready for SA for all the state board. We are going for nice vacation during this Christmas and Pongal. So you have good opportunity at home to practice, to think of the beautiful costume, to select a song. It's a Western dance competition. You can have any language, Telugu, English, Hindi, any regional languages of India or any of the foreign languages. Music doesn't have a language barrier. There is no limitation. Select a nice music which is suitable to you, which is suitable for a student community, for the education, for the school. And do a 40-second to 60-second video. We watch that video, your song, your variety of steps, your costume, your expressions, your synchronization, that is, your step should match with the music you play. All this carries marks. Juniors 1 category, sub-juniors 1 we call category, is class 2, class 3. This is the sub-juniors 1 category. Class 2, class 3. We have 3 prizes: first prize, second prize, third prize. Then sub-juniors 2 category, 4 and 5. Then junior category, 6th, 7th. For every category we have. Then senior category, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Senior category. I said another category, first class special category, that is sub junior zero category. First class because they can dance accordingly to follow the rules. It is little difficult. It is the parent work. If it is in the school, it is my work, teacher's work, coordinator's work to make the first class children dance on the stage. Now the first class child to be danced in front of the camera is the parent work. That's why it's sub juniors, a zero category, but it's a special category. Even first class child, even parents may think, why first class there is no dance competition? It is. You can. If any of the LKG, UKG parents also interested, you can come under that sub juniors special category. LKG, UKG first class. Definitely you can take part. But the song should be definitely a Western dance. Not classical, not folk. Western, you can choose any form of Western dancing, a break dance, a hip hop, any form of dancing, any languages, any pop music, any Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood, anything. It's up to you. But the video has to be taken in a landscape, not portrait. And that video can be sent to St. John's Cultural Mail ID through Google Drive. It is easy to send the mail. So you have to send to the St. John's Cultural gmail.com. I will definitely put this in the description. You can check with it. But these are the categories. It is time that you get up. The last date to submit is January 17th. On or before 17th January. I'm giving you 1 month time. 1 month time during these holidays. Make the best use. Present your talents. Move. Many parents will think holidays, they sit in front of the smart gadgets, they sit in the couches, they don't move, they don't do anything. Now this dancing competition will give you an opportunity to move, to dance, to move around. Think of the costumes, think of the selection of the song. A lot of activity goes along with your academic activities. Reading a book, practicing 1 page per day is also important. Keep all these things in mind. We have so many things to do. Less time, more work. Let us make the best use of it. To motivate you, to bring back those old memories where so many hundreds and hundreds of students have danced on a prestigious and I call it a magical stage of St. John's. I'm going to present few of the solo dances for you, just to motivate and bring back those wonderful, lively programs of dance competitions, solo, group, inter-house, whatnot. So much goes on this prestigious St. John's platform. I want everybody to watch, get motivated. Best wishes to you. Do well, move, dance, make your heart merry. Stay safe. God bless you all.
Subscribe to me.